Namaste. So, this is a quick video and not so good video, actually, to be frank. And this is my humble request for the parents out there who are allowing and letting your children to use the YouTube. Please make sure they use it in a right way, because nowadays, recently and very frequently, I'm receiving all kind of a hatred messages with the foul languages. And next are the few of the examples which were really worst, and I couldn't bear and I couldn't tolerate those things. Whoever is in the name of a Santosh Guhan with the ID of 5950, if you are a parent, please make sure that your child is using the right language with the teacher. This is not at all acceptable. Hurting a teacher. If you don't like the teaching, that's completely fine. You can just leave the space, and I'm completely respect your decision. But giving a hatred messages, leaving a hurtful messages, leaving these kind of a spaces intolerable is not acceptable. Please make sure even the teachers are human beings and we are working uh, effortlessly, and I'm trying to give my best just for the students. I know there are many students who love the teaching, and thank you so much for your love and support, but these kind of a messages really is not acceptable. And especially when I receive a message directly to my WhatsApp number and to my calls, not accepted, and especially from the children. So this message is for every parent out there, or either brother or sister who is allowing your uh, the student to access the YouTube channel. Make sure they use the proper language to comment, or is it's completely fine if they won't comment, but do not ever use these kind of hatred messages. It's really hurtful, really hurtful. So whoever it is, please understand, never gonna repeat this one, please. Thank you.